All right, here's your quick tutorial for John Williams' theme from Darth Vader, Star Wars. Here we go. Imperial March goes like this. You're going to need G, B flat, and E flat. These three. Okay? So here we go. We're going to go 3 Gs. Down to E flat, up to B flat, down to G again. So think of it as like a down, up, middle. Down, up, middle. Practice that a couple of times. Down, up, middle. 3 Gs, down, up, middle. Again. Good. And you should use fingers like this. 1, 3, 5 or 1, 2, 4. Don't do the one-fingered approach. That's much harder. There's no point. Okay? So do that a few times. Now we move on to the next one. 3 Ds. We're going to descend or go down. E flat, B flat, G flat. E flat, B flat, G flat. Again, you should use 3 fingers for this. Practice that a couple times. So 3 Ds, down we go. Okay, with the proper fingering. And finish with 1 round of down, up, middle. From the beginning. So look at the last part. I'll do it complete. And the whole thing looks like this. Practice slowly and in 2 parts. Good luck.